Hi, today I'll be walking you through getting your Enigma into your Papoose. The only tool you'll need is something with a long, thin, kind of sturdy handle. To get started, let's remove the belt from its buckle and set this aside. And then let's connect the parts of the Papoose. Let's fold the front back, exposing Velcro sandwiches on both sides. And then if your buckle's on the left side, we'll use the buckle sleeve, and vice versa for buckle on the right side. Open up your Velcro sandwich, stuff your buckle sleeve into the buckle slot, sandwich it in the Velcro sandwich, and then we'll do the same thing for the belt sleeve. We'll put the Velcro through the pistol pouch belt slot and stuff it in the sandwich, and then fold the pistol pouch back to its original shape. Once that's done, let's size the belt and belt sleeve. The belt sleeve is made for the full length belt. I've trimmed this belt, and if your waist is not as big as the belt, then you can either trim the belt sleeve or fold it back on itself. I'm going to fold it back on itself, and to do that, just stuff it through the end, pull it back open, or pinch and roll. Once you have the length you needed folded back on itself, let's start getting the Enigma into the pistol pouch. And we'll start with the leg leash. There are two leg leash slots, one under the belt slot and one under the buckle slot on the pistol pouch. Once that's done, let's work the holster into the bottom and the buckle into its place, and then the buckle sleeve into the buckle into its sleeve. Padded buckle capture. Once that's done, let's get the belt through the pistol pouch, and then we'll work it into the belt sleeve. Fold the faceplate back and get the pistol pouch in its final position. Now, with the belt and belt sleeve laid flat, no twists, we'll take the tool and fold the belt back on itself and hold that under tension. I like to press my tool into my stomach And now start feeding the belt into its sleeve. Once you get it started, well, you want the belt on the tool, but once you get it started, you'll feed the whole belt sleeve onto this now rigid section of the belt. And then pull the tool out. You're done with that. And pull the tail end of the belt through. And with no twists in the belt, pull it into the sleeve. And there you have it. Now you can put the buckle back on, make sure the belt is not twisted, and string it back through. And then you have a place to tuck the tail end of your belt. And if you're running the reduced size buckle, or if you don't have a lot of tension on the buckle sleeve holding the pistol pouch away from your sight channel, let's set that up real quick. What I'm doing here is putting less Velcro from the buckle sleeve into the Velcro sandwich, just to show you if there's slack here and the pistol pouch can foul the sight channel, which you do not want happening. You can use these Velcro strips and put tension on the pistol pouch. I would start by putting more Velcro from the buckle sleeve into the Velcro sandwich, and if you want, you can trim it shorter to be able to stuff it further in, and that'll hold tension because the pistol pouch will be pulling on all this backside. But if that's not enough, what you can do is slide a Velcro strip into the slot that holds the buckle in the padded buckle capture, and well, you'll want it so, well, you'll start with the hook side facing the body because it's going to fold so the soft side of the Velcro, the loop side, not the hook side, faces the body, and then fold these together into the belt or buckle slot, and then you fold these together, and this side, this soft side, will face your body. And now this is what you're going to put into the Velcro sandwich. And to get that done, let's peel back the pistol pouch. Open up the sandwich and get Velcro strip into the sandwich and close it back. And whoop, other side, there we go. Now you can see that little strip is holding quite a gap between the pistol pouch and the sight channel. If you need to do the same on the belt side as well, that'll also be possible. This one's probably going to be quite unnecessary, but it is an option. Let's run the Velcro strip between the belt and faceplate. And same thing, you'll want the soft side facing your body. Put a half twist on one side. Well, let's run it into this hole with a half twist. Bring the ends together, and this will now go into the Velcro sandwich. And the further away, further into the Velcro sandwich you feed these tabs, the more they're going to spread the pistol pouch, keeping it open. Let's get the belt sleeve on there as well. Close the Velcro sandwich, and then pull the belt back through and bring the pistol pouch back to its resting position. And now there's quite some good tension holding across the back side of the pistol pouch.